Hi, my name is Suzette Fredevo with Arizona Advantage Properties, and I'd like to talk to you about what prospective owners can expect from us for management services. First and foremost, we collect the rent from the tenant. We do that by having a portal set up so they can go online and make that payment. We then process that and then direct deposit that money into the owner's account. Also with accounting, we email a monthly statement to each owner, and that identifies expenses and income for that month. And lastly, for accounting, we file the rental tax on behalf of the owner every month. For maintenance, which is a big part of management, we have the tenants log on to their portal and submit a service request. Based on what they request, we contact our vendor. We have a list of vendors we work with that are fantastic. We also work with the owner's home warranty company if they have one. If it is indeed a misuse or neglect by the tenant, we do charge the tenant. There are also times that tenants request things, items, or improvements, and based on Arizona law, it depends on whether it's a requirement or not, and we are communicating with the owner on that. As far as HOAs, tenants often receive notices various times throughout the year, depends on the tenant, but we make sure to communicate with them via written notice that a violation has occurred and the time frame the HOA gives in order to correct the issue. We also handle late rent, of course. If a tenant is late, we do send them a notice to that fact. And our tenants in our leases, the rent is due on the 1st and considered late as a 501 on the 1st. This gives the tenants a couple of days to get their funds together, get it into the office, because on the 5th, if they have not paid, we do send out a 5-day notice. And what that is a notice to tenants that if they do not pay the amount on the notice by the specified time, then eviction proceedings will begin. As far as inspections, we do an annual interior inspection every year. We also do a 6-month inspection if it is requested by the owner. And communication is another thing that we handle between tenants and owners. We protect the owner's email and phone number, their contact information. Unless the owner wants the tenant to have that, it's up to them, but most of them do not. So we're kind of a main switchboard between tenants and owners. And that is, in a nutshell, what we do for our owners every single month. We'd love to work with you. Thank you very much and have a very nice day.